I'm Christopher, and the course I'm doing is graphic design. I like to do logos, branding, magazines as well, album covers as well. Photoshop is
Yeah.
the most program that I use Illustrator and Photoshop, yeah. And also I use Lightroom as well. You can adjust the lights, like contrast. Yeah, I wanna continue with graphic design in uni.
But
It's been good. Everyone's friendly. So the start of the course was I had a lot of teachers, but at the end we have JP. He's a good teacher. Branding the most that I feel worked a lot with branding. So